Alright guys, hope you like this week's Sharter, and if you do, hit that like button, subscribe. Also, check out our t-shirts. They're here on the screen. I'll show you. Link in the description. Love you guys.
Love y'all.
Know I'm country when they hear the way I talk. It sounds a little bit like my daddy. It don't cuss around my mama. Got some words you never heard unless you come from down yonder.
You know we're giving out free dancing moves today, don't we?
Shit.
How did you do that? Just happened to be right timing? I guess. Whew.
Uh-oh, I'm sorry. You don't want to smell that.
Downy. Sheep. Downy.
You an idiot or what?
Excuse me?
You did not just do that and fan yourself.
I'm sorry. I had Taco Bell earlier.
Really?
Sorry.
Please say excuse me.
Excuse me. Oh, God.
I'm never. How many you want me to get, Mommy?
Excuse me, sir. Do you know where the bathroom is? Okay. Oh. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know where the bathroom is? Do you know where it's at? Okay. I'll look for it. Thanks anyway.